Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to look at how to use the Google Ads editor. Google Ads editor is basically a software created by Google primarily to manage Google Ads in an offline format. And when you start managing Google Ads accounts for your clients, it is very critical that we make sure that there are no errors being done, otherwise there can be a huge revenue impact. To save yourself from all those scenarios, you can download this software and then upload the Google Ads account on this software. So now you get a replica of your live account into this software and you can start doing your changes in it. It will not impact the live account. The live account just runs as normal. So here in this software, you can create new campaigns, ad groups, ads, keywords, bids, budgets, all those changes you can do out here. Also, you can make changes to existing campaigns, ad groups as well. So let's have a look at the editor, how we can use this guys. So the first thing which we can see here is you can go to accounts, which helps you to open multiple Google Ads accounts simultaneously and you can work on them. Apart from this, you also have get recent changes, which is a case wherein before starting with any kind of work, you can click on get recent changes to see what were the changes you had done in the last work. And then based on which you can plan your work for today. Check changes will be a case wherein after you complete your work for the day, you can check the changes whether they are correct or not. So it will give you some kind of warning messages and based on which you can correct your changes which you have done. Statistics will also show you some data around search terms report. It will show you which search terms are triggering your ads from here. And post is the button which we use to paste all these changes into our live account. When you click on post, whatever changes you did in the software today will get pasted inside your live account in a paused state. So here, as you can see, on the top left you will see all the campaigns which are there in your account shown up over here. In the middle of the screen, you can see all the campaigns now with more details regarding each of the campaign. If you want to make a change to any of the campaign, you can click on the campaign and you will find the campaign details on the right hand side. You can change the status, budget, bid strategy. All the settings of the campaign will be out here to make changes for. If you want to add new campaigns, you want to create new campaigns, you can do that from the plus add campaign button. If you want to make multiple changes into the campaign, then you can add it like in a spreadsheet through make multiple changes option. Apart from this, if you plan to remove a specific campaign because that is not needed anymore, you can select the campaign first and then you can remove. And then you also have replace text, which is used for replacing certain words or text which you have used in the campaign names, ad groups, and you can do it from here. Apart from that, in the same manner, if you go on the left panel under manage, you will see ad groups. So if you want to make changes to the ad groups, so these are all the ad groups which you can see right now in the account. So you can select the ad group and you can make the changes on the right hand side. Same manner, if you go to the keywords and targeting, you will find all the keywords over here. You can add new keywords, you can remove certain keywords, you can also go in and delete a keyword as well. That is also possible. In the same manner, if you look at your ads and ad groups, that also you can have a look at all the ads. If you want to create more ads, like you want to create a responsive search ad, you can do it from here. If you want to change the headings, descriptions, you can change over here one by one and then modify them and then add them again back into the live account. If you want to remove certain ads, you can do that as well by clicking on this particular remove button. So in this manner, guys, you can make changes to almost everything which you have in the account, add extensions as well. If you want to create more extensions, you have multiple options. You can create extensions at different levels. So you can create those out here. You can remove also certain extensions if they are not working for you. You can select them and just remove. Or else you can want to modify and then you can just select the extensions and on the right panel you have all its details so you can modify that. So like this guys, you will be able to make a lot of changes inside your Google Ads account through this editor. I hope this content was useful. Now you understand how to use a Google Ads editor. You will find it on the internet. You can go to Google search and search for Google Ads editor and download. You will get both Mac and Windows option to download it from there. I hope this content was useful and you understand how to use this. Thank you so much guys for listening into this session. Have a great day guys.